Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing those ShopMissA products that I just hauled. So we're going to jump right into this. There's not very many products this time. Let's get started. First I want to talk about this hand cream, the Beeswax hand cream from Santee. This stuff smells so amazing. It's very thick hand cream. Everyone raved about this product on the website. It just smells so wonderful and is very moisturizing on the skin. I'm gonna purchase more of these in the future. I have a repeat buy here, but in a different shade. It's the Malibu Glitz Peach Blush. These are their Healthy Glow blushes, and they come in little compact. They do come with a sponge. They have a mirror, and they have a embossed blush, a rose embossed blush. This blush, I don't know why it is named Peach. It is a very highly pigmented, concentrated formula, and this is by no means a peach color. It's more of like a hot pinky kind of shade. But all that aside, these blushes are absolutely amazing. I also have mauve and coral, and those two are perfect for fair-skinned ladies, and they're very natural looking. But you can also build them up because they're all the same formula. And you need to try these out. You need to try these out. Lipstick removers. Yes, lipstick removers. Here's the AOA Studio Lip Makeup Remover Pads. You get 30 pads in here for $1. They're kind of small, similar packaging to those LA Colors nail polish removers, and they have AOA Studio Eye Makeup Removers in the same packaging as well. Of course, these are a little bit thin, but aside from that, these are coated in like an oil based remover, and these remove all those stubborn lipsticks. These do work, and I do recommend picking them up if is from Just Color, and it's called Kiss and by Lip Color Remover. See how liquidy that is? Yeah, you have to be careful with it, but it has an applicator in there, and what you do is dab this on your finger, dab it on your lip, dab some on a cotton pad, dab some directly onto your lip, but make sure you wipe your little brushy off. And this removes just as well as these do. I do kind of like this tube thing applicator better, but in regards of how well they work, they are up there in the same. Like, they work amazing at removing those stubborn lip colors we all love. I have two AOA Studio eyeshadow primers, and this is what prompted me to order in the first place. When I saw that they had eye primers now, I was like, oh heck yes, I gotta place an order now. Now I have this in nude, and I have it in original. They also have a shimmery one. I'm not into the shimmery ones. I never have been, so I did not purchase that particular one. Well, what I can say about the original and the nude, they work exactly like Too Faced Shadow Insurance Urban Decay Eden primer, and they are a nice consistency, and they are completely comparable to the high-end stuff, and they're only $1. They last all day, they didn't crease, they help make the eyeshadows more vibrant. You know the drill with primers. These are great. I love them. I will definitely be purchasing the nude one again in the future and have it as a backup because the nude is my favorite. The original is just original, but the nude has like a mattifying effect to your eye as a primer, like that, similar to the Urban Decay Eden primer, and I just love it. Definitely need to try these out, ladies. Next up from AOA Studio, we have the Wonder Brow. This is a tinted brow pomade. Now mine is in medium brown. They have about 5 or 6 shades, I believe, to choose from, but it's a good range of shades. I actually consider buying 2 of these and mixing them to make a perfect shade, but this medium brown does me just fine. I really like it. I've been using it for like 2 weeks now, and it is extremely creamy. This is a super concentrated brow product in my opinion. This glides on. It lasts all day. I was wearing it one day, honestly, and I was push mowing the yard, so you know I was sweating, and my eyebrows look fine. Yeah. So, if that's a test to the product, you know what I'm saying? This is a good product. Very nice. No weird smells or anything like that. And I mean, these products, a lot of them seem way higher in quality than $1. You guys, if you have not checked ShopMissA out and you live under a rock, definitely come out and check that website out. Another AOA Studio item is the Wonder Matte. This is in Crush, and this is a basic red matte lipstick. This is what we all were searching for back in the day when we were wearing them blacked out panda looking eyes. You know what I'm talking about, ladies. This is it. It's matte, it's beautiful, lasts all day. I repurchased these over several times before now, and their lipsticks are very great, especially the matte ones. These Wonder lipsticks, they stay in place all day. Now, you do get a little bit of wear with the Wonder Mattes when you're eating and drinking like most of these products, but honestly, you just can't beat the quality of this for $1 and how long they actually last. They're not drying on your lips. They're just perfect. I do have a new mascara from Santee. It has a weird kind of brush on it, and if you have not been in the makeup game very long, you probably don't know what similar brush that is. This is very similar to the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I love that mascara in the day. This is a nice formula. I love layering this up 2 or 3 coats. I think it looks great on the lashes. And unfortunately though, I believe all these are gone on the website right now, but hopefully they will get these in stock. They had 4 different tubes in 4 different colors, and no weird smell. Like I said, great formula to it. Can build it up. It does great at separating the lashes and giving length to them, and I am in love with this particular mascara right now. Last item from Santee here. This is the Pop Pastel Pencil. These are jumbo eyeshadow pencils. They have mixed reviews on there, but this peachy nude one I had to try. It's number 7. I believe they twist up. Like I said, no weird smell to this. And it just glides on. You use it like a jumbo eyeshadow pencil. I apply it to my lids, blend it out, use it as a secondary base, and as an additional primer item just to have shadows be able to adhere to something else sticky. And I think it worked wonders. Now, I do want to note, I don't think you should over apply it, because it could potentially crease on you, especially if you have oily lids. And I also tried wearing this in the waterline as a nude kind of eyeliner like I do my Jordana one. It is not happening, girl. This was all over the place at the end of the day, and I looked like a hot mess in the lower lash region. So I do recommend this for using as a secondary base, giving your shadows something to adhere to, making them pop even more, but no lower lash line business. I definitely want to purchase some new colors of this. They have very bright colors. They have a beautiful blue and yellow, and I'm definitely coming back for those. Next we have the AOA Studio. This is from their higher end. I cannot remember if these were $2.50 or $5 each. Anyways, when I was on there that day, they were on sale for $1 each, so I picked up 3 of the 4 or 5 that they actually have. I got the Rainbow Pearl, the bronze or Stardust bronzer, and this one is this is Rainbow Veil. It's a cardboard packaging with magnets. It has a very thin little plastic cover here, and there's your product. The packaging is overall cute. Please note that you will have to write the names on the back of them unless you keep them in this stubborn plastic packaging. And they are very powdery though. They are pigmented. They're really pretty, but they are powdery. They are so powdery, you guys. I really did like them. I wanted to love them more, but as you can see in the Get Ready With Me video that I posted using this, it's so powdery. Like, a little blindsided by that, to be honest. And I know that my camera's not going to do them justice, so I'm going to insert pictures of their swatches from the website so you can see better pictures. I say for $1, definitely try them at your own want, you know? Like, if you want to try them, been wanting to try them for a while, now they're $1, try them. But the powderiness, like, it's, like, normally powderiness doesn't bother me, but if you're sweeping the product on, maybe I should have used a stiffer brush, whatever it may be, but if you're sweeping product on, it's getting in your hair, it's getting all over the rest of your makeup, that's not too great. I still am excited to use this one as a bronzer, blushy kind of product, and this one as maybe a fun rainbow kind of look one day. But overall, these are almost the best. Last couple items we have here are from Amuse, and I needed 45 cents, I believe, to get free shipping because I got the brush ups, $10.55, yada yada yada. So it kind of threw off the amount that it would have been more of an even amount, but so last minute I picked up one of these Amuse Cosmetics Nude Creamy Matte Lipsticks, and I got the shade Blush. Yes, and at first I was like, this is weird packaging, there's no seam there, you can't pop it off or anything like that. This is the first lipstick I own like this. So basically what you have to do is push the top down and the lipstick comes out. It's in a container like this, and this lipstick is creamy, it is matte, it's not drying, no weird smell, and I am just loving the way it looks on my lips. I wore it the past like 3 makeup looks I've done, a couple in tutorials, and it's just beautiful. It's like a mauve-y, beautiful, it almost reminds me of the NYX lipstick in Thalia. I used to love that lipstick, and then it turned, and yeah, I never repurchased it. Don't even know if they make it anymore, but this is very similar to that shade. It's just absolutely beautiful, everyday kind of shade. And it's a beautiful pinky, like mauve nude shade as well. I don't know, this is just a really great lipstick though. Last and final item we have to talk about is the Amuse Matte Finish Foundation. If you're fair skinned, you know it's extremely hard to find a foundation on this website available because usually all the fair tones are completely sold out. Some of these foundations do have an array of different shades to choose from, but if you're light like me and need the first or second shade in a line, it's kind of difficult. But I lucked out that day and I got to get the Matte Finish Foundation. This foundation, I want to note first off, right off the gate, it does have a weird smell. It has a weird smell. I do like the tube that it's in and that squirts out like that. The packaging is, oh my goodness, so adorable. Black with leopard print and gold. What's not to love about that? Even more, it's $1. Well, this foundation dries quickly. When you apply it, you have to be kind of quick because it does set and dry quickly. Not so quickly that you can't work with it, but it just does dry quickly. It dries completely matte. It has a medium coverage. Now this is like a true medium coverage, but in a video, in my Get Ready video, you'll see me build it up, and it can become a full coverage foundation. it lasted all day. Like, I didn't have any weird cakiness look to my face or anything like that. Of course, just always wear it around your nose, but honestly, this foundation looks great. The only negative thing is that weird smell. I've been using it every time I do makeup since I got it, so I am also in love with this product. I hope you guys will be able to try this foundation as well. It's been a great one. Yes, hope you enjoyed the reviews, found them helpful. Stay tuned for more ShopMissA videos because you know I'm going to be placing more orders. They just put new stuff on the website. We'll have more reviews and more tutorials. Right now, stay tuned for all the upcoming ShopMissA tutorials, and thank you always for watching.